Does Ally have a physical location? Question hook. Does Ally have a physical location? This is a question that's been circulating the internet for quite some time. And today, we're going to dive deep into it. Building context, Ally is a popular AI chatbot known for its ability to engage in conversation on a wide range of topics. But is there a real, physical place behind this virtual personality? Let's find out. Section 1, Ally's Origins. Brief history. We'll start by tracing Ally's origins. Who created it? When was it launched? Understanding its history can give us clues about its infrastructure. The role of OpenAI. Discuss the role of OpenAI, a leading artificial intelligence research laboratory, and Ally's development. Their involvement might suggest a connection to physical infrastructure. Section 2, the cloud and virtual infrastructure. Understanding the cloud. Explain the concept of cloud computing. How does it work? Why are many online services, including AI chatbots, hosted on the cloud? Ally's likely location, based on the nature of cloud infrastructure, argue that Ally is most likely hosted on a network of servers spread across various data centers around the world. Section 3, Analyzing Ally's responses. Real-time processing. Discuss how Ally's responses are generated in real time. This requires significant computational power, which is typically provided by physical servers. Data storage. Explore the storage requirements for Ally's training data and user interactions. This data needs to be stored on physical storage devices. Section 4, Privacy concerns and data centers. Privacy considerations. Address concerns related to data privacy. Where is user data stored? How is it protected? Discuss the potential risks associated with storing sensitive information in data centers. Data center locations. Explore the geographic distribution of data centers. Are there any regions where data centers are more prevalent or less regulated? Section 5, the myth of the physical ally. Debunking the myth. Address the persistent rumors of a physical location for Ally. Is there any evidence to support these claims? The reality. Emphasize that while Ally may seem like a person, it's essentially a complex software program running on a network of computers. Section 6, Conclusion. Summary. Recap the key points discussed in the video. Ally is a virtual AI chatbot hosted on the cloud. There is no physical location associated with Ally. Final thoughts. Reflect on the implications of AI and its reliance on physical infrastructure. How does this impact our understanding of technology and its limitations? Outro. Call to action. Encourage viewers to share their thoughts on Ally and AI in the comments section. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.